This is my hotel room in Atlanta, Georgia. This place down here is gorgeous, y'all. If you get a chance to come to Atlanta, Georgia, take it. Look how nice the hotel room is. Okay, the shower's back here. You get all that. You get your cupboard. And I'm making coffee. Okay, you get that. This is the room, which is gorgeous. These beds are extremely comfortable. Atlanta, GA. Okay, you can see I was sitting on a bed. I mean, these beds are awesome. Your head just goes down in there when you're sleeping at night, and you just go off into another place somewhere. And I just want to show you out these windows outside. The sun is bright today. Is that gorgeous or what? I wish I could show you more. And I don't know what that is back there. I don't know what kind of building that is back there. Looks like a big robot standing on the hill. But this is where I'm staying at the Marriott Gateway. Okay, and that's it. Just wanted to give you a little, and it is beautiful. Listen, when you get a chance to take a vacation or when you get a chance to do something nice, just do it. God is good.